Look no further than the 2021 Toyota Camry. This vehicle is an outstanding buy with fewer than 25,000 miles on the odometer. This captivating Camry is the ideal family sedan. Known for its safety and reliability, it goes above and beyond by offering a spacious, luxurious, connected cabin environment, seductive style, premium craftsmanship, customizable driving modes, and powerful performance to give you a truly inspired driving experience. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: Apple CarPlay and/or Android Auto, keyless entry, satellite radio, steering wheel audio controls, aluminum wheels, alarm, power driver seat, electronic stability control, intermittent wipers, traction control. Aggressively seductive, solidly practical. We can't wait to introduce you to this exquisite Camry. Come in today and let our knowledgeable staff put you in the driver's seat.